Hello everyone, I'm Neema and I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a potato lover's delight. So here I am with a recipe of a honey chili potato. Now let's take a look at the recipe. For this honey chili potato, we need around 4 medium-sized potatoes cut into French fries, and I have soaked them in water in order to remove the excess starch. Now let's strain and boil these sliced potatoes on a medium flame with 2 teaspoons of salt, and 4 cups of water. Two, 3, and 4. Now let's bring it to a boil. It's boiling. Now let's lower the flame and cook for 5 more minutes. It's ready. Let's strain and transfer it to a bowl. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida and 1 tablespoon of rice flour into our boiled potatoes. And just coat it well. Now let's keep this aside. Now let's prepare the batter for our second coat. To a bowl, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and then goes in 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and some water. Mix it well to make a thick batter. Our batter should be in this consistency. Now let's drop in our potato slices and slowly coat it with our batter. See, it has been coated very well. Next step is to deep fry these potatoes. To this hot oil, let's drop in the potatoes one by one and fry it on a medium heat. When it's slightly golden, then we can remove it to a plate. See, it's ready. Now let's flash fry these potatoes. The flame should be high. And make sure to fry these potatoes till it turns to a nice golden brown color. Our potatoes are ready. Let's strain and then transfer it to a bowl. See the crispiness. It's extra crispy, and this is a perfect snack by itself. Now let's get the sauce ready. Now add in 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and then goes in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Into this, add in water and slowly mix it. See, our sauce is ready and I have used around 150 ml of water. Let's keep this aside and then start with the next step. Next is to heat up a kadai by adding 4 tablespoons of oil. Then goes in 3 to 4 bulbs of spring onions, 8 to 10 chopped garlic, one-inch piece of grated ginger, quarter cup of spring onion greens and 1 onion chopped. Combine well. And cook it till the raw smell is gone. Then add in 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar with a pinch of salt to balance. Just combine it well. Now you can drop in our prepared sauce. Now slowly drop in our potatoes. Combine it. Finally, to finish off, let's add in 1.5 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds and quarter cup of spring onion greens. Stir fry for a minute. And then turn off the flame. So here it is, a easy and interesting recipe for a restaurant style honey chili potato. Do try this and enjoy with your family and friends. Same time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video with another recipe. Thanks for watching.